Today I'm going to teach you how to verify a Namecheap domain for Google Workspace. This process is essential for connecting your custom domain to Google's email and productivity tools, allowing you to use professional email addresses with your domain name. First, head over to admin.google.com and sign in using your Google Workspace administrator account. Once you're in the admin console, you'll need to locate the domain setup area on the left side menu. Click on the option to verify your domain, which is typically labeled Verify Domain. If you see prompts like Get Started or Continue to Verification, go ahead and click through them. Next, you'll be presented with a verification method. In most cases, Google will offer you a TXT DNS record, though sometimes you might see a CNAME option. The TXT record will include a verification string that starts with Google site verification =. Keep this value visible or copy it, as you'll need it in just a moment. Now open a new tab and sign into your Namecheap account at namecheap.com. Once you're logged in, click on Domain List from the left sidebar. This will display all your registered domains. Find the domain you want to verify and click the cyan Manage button next to it. In the Domain Management area, click on the Advanced DNS tab. This is where you'll add the verification record that Google provided. Look for the section where you can add new DNS records. In the host field, enter the @ symbol, which represents your root domain. For type, select TXT from the drop-down menu. Then paste the entire Google verification string into the value field. Set the TTL to the default value, or 3,600 seconds, if you're given the option. Once you've filled in all the fields, click the green checkmark or Save button to apply the new TXT record. This saves the verification record to your domain's DNS settings. Now switch back to your Google Admin Console tab and continue with the verification flow by clicking the Verify button. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take anywhere from a few minutes to up to 48 hours to fully propagate across the internet, though it's usually much faster. After propagation, you should see a confirmation in the admin console that your domain has been successfully verified. If verification fails, double-check that you copied the TXT value correctly in Namecheap. Wait a bit longer for DNS propagation and try the verification again. Thanks for watching.